Hey, I want you to skip this video if you're not a goal setter and you don't have New Year's resolutions. I want you to just keep scrolling. Good. You're still here. I'm going to assume that you have some very important goals and some New Year's resolutions that you want to accomplish. So I want you to stick with me for just a few minutes. You will be happy that you did. Every year at this time, people reflect on last year and they think about how they can make the next year even better. Sometimes they feel a little bit of regret because they didn't accomplish some of the things that they really wanted to, but they have this sense of optimism and hope about the new year. People have all sorts of goals. They have relationship goals, they have financial goals, they have fitness goals, they have weight loss goals, they have self-improvement goals, all kinds of goals people have, and they really want to accomplish them. Unfortunately, the vast majority of the people out there will not accomplish their goals. And that next year at this time, there'll be a little bit of regret. Now, there's always hope for this next year, and I want it to be different for you. So let me ask you a question. Why do you think it is so difficult for people to hit their goals and accomplish their New Year's resolutions? There are 10 reasons, 10, that people typically don't hit their goals. Number 1, they're not written down. Number 2, they're not very specific. Number 3, they don't have accountability. There's an incredible lack of accountability. Number 4, they're unrealistic. 5, they don't have that intrinsic motivation. 6, they didn't do adequate planning. 7, they have an incredible fear of failure. Or 8, a fear of success. 9, they lack the emotional resilience. And my favorite, number 10, habits and environmental cues. Habits and environmental cues. Now, do any of these reasons resonate with you? If so, I want to encourage you to try something different this year. Next Monday at 1 p.m. Central Time, a group of us are going to be on a Zoom call working on our goals and our New Year's resolutions. I want you to join us. It'll be well worth your time. It's free. And all you need is a pen and some paper. Space is limited though, so I want you to register right now. Now, whether you join us or not, I hope you do write down your goals, and I want you to have your best year ever.